This was bought from Amazon on my own dime. What's up, boys? I just got the F55. I'm gonna show you how to install. I do have the S10 Warn Winch with synthetic rope. Welcome to Canada. Here is what we're doing today. So we received this, the UltraHook Factor55, and it's gonna be installed right there. So the Warn winch comes with this. I don't like this. It does the job, but whatever. I'm gonna have to install this and then get the rope protector so that protects my rope. I don't know if this is okay. Let me know in the comments if, guys, this is okay. I haven't pulled anything with this yet, but it looks like it has a couple of places, like right there. It should be okay, right? So I had to buy the Mastercraft remover because it doesn't fit right there. It would have been nice if F55 Factory 55 sends us something to remove, but we'll install and we'll see how it looks. So by the way, just to let you know, we had to flip this instead of opening, closing, so it has to be flipped. If anybody has this and then wondering, so you have to do it so that it closes rather than opens. So this thing has to come out. Like that. Then we remove this. And then we grab, I already removed my worn one. I removed it. And now I'm gonna go. So this has to be as per the instructions of F55, Factor 55, it has to be upwards. So you can't install it this way. It has to be this way. So then we put in this, we slide it from under. And now we have to put the O-ring back so that it holds it in place. Make sure it clicks and make sure that it doesn't show. So it doesn't show any lip, or else it's not 100% in place. You see how it is? It's like doesn't show any lip. So that's it. And now we're gonna retract the winch, the synthetic rope, and then put it in place. I already have the Warn one that comes built in from my bumper, so we're gonna put it in place. So just for the fun of it, I'm gonna use my remote to be able to pull the rope back. And then once I'm pulling back, I'm gonna do left and right so that it goes in place. So that's my remote for my winch. This is the amount that it takes to retract the full length of the synthetic rope that I have on the S10 Warn. we're right there, continuing. So now this is gonna be that way. Yep. And technically what Factor 55 says, it centers itself with those two rubbers, and that's it. It centers itself. I'm gonna give it one last thing, one last pull, and that's it. Yeah, doesn't move anymore. And there you go, guys. That's the Factor 55. That's how it looks. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So again, guys, this is paid by myself.